Good morning. It is the morning of day 5 and we're here at Elk Camp. It has a really interesting sign. It's made out of bullets and a tree stump, so that's cool. And it's right off the BDR. We had a really good night's rest after a long day on the BDR yesterday. There was a lot of exciting things happening. And this morning we're looking forward to checking out Baby's Grave and Lost Cabin and Sugarloaf Lookout. We'll see how we're doing for gas and hopefully make it to Christmas Valley today. You gotta get more speed, babe.
I thought I had it.
Make sure you hit the brakes too soon at the top.
You gotta get the whole bike over and then the front tire about right here.
Okay.
There it is. That's how you get it done. Woo!
Like a reasonably big tumble. I was just going up along the top of the rut and my bike fell down into the rut. I banged my leg. Let's see, can you see that mirror? On the mirror that's standing straight up. And my belly on all that stuff. But I think I'm okay. And I honked my horn, but I think Eric was too far ahead of me, so I'm gonna pick the bike up, I think. And if I don't have it up by the time they turn around, I'll get some help. All right, good news. I got the bike up. It was a really easy pickup. Unfortunately, I can't get the kickstand down because of the ruts, so I can't show you. So I'll see you at the Lost Cabin. That was for Amanda. Now we are at the Lost Cabin historical site, which is absolutely beautiful. It's in this gorgeous meadow with a ton of flowers, and there's some fun rusty cars to play in. Play. We do. I think what Eric said was that's what tennis shots are for.
If we get Montezuma's revenge, we know where it's coming from.
Limited maintenance, you think? We're here at Baby's Grave. It's a part of the Oregon BDR Route 5. Unfortunately, we didn't do any research ahead of time, so we really don't know what to tell you about it other than it's sad to see. It's always tough to lose a child. I mean, I haven't lost one myself, but my heart goes out to those who have. And we'll do some research and update you guys soon on what the history is on this actual grave. Well, you earned a beer tonight.
Woo! I love beer.
Nice job.
That was type 1 fun.
That's a big boulder. The big boulder.
You want to hold this while I get on?
Yeah.
Turn the handlebars this way. That's where we were supposed to be, right there. Through the freaking lake.
That was my determined face.
Oh my gosh,
See this?
that was so funny. The whole thing was just a comedy. That was exciting.
I can see that.
Hopefully no broken ribs, that's what I'm worried about.
Okay. Hard to breathe?
No, they're sore though.
Avoiding the mud.
I went in way too fast. Ugh. Woo! Okay, boys and girls, we're back. More sanded rocks. Turns out it did hurt my ribs a little bit, but I think they're okay. Probably just bruised. Can't hear this, I'm just talking to myself. Alright, so what happened, Eric?
Well, apparently picked up a nail in my rear tire and now it's completely deflated and debeated on one side and yeah.
Tire is seated, or the bead is seated.
So today I managed to have a pretty nasty accident.
And then there were two.
I was trying to laugh and then you just started going.
Oh my gosh, that was great.
I know this commentary was going to be so damn long.
I didn't either. I didn't know what you wanted.